Did you ever wonder how you could move columns in Excel? Here's how you do it. In my case, I want to move the extension column, which is column D right here, so that it appears right after the name column. To achieve that, I have to select the extension column. And while it's selected, you'll notice that there's green borders to the left and right. I have to move my mouse to one of these borders, doesn't really matter which one. And as soon as I hover on the border itself, you'll notice the mouse cursor changes. It's at this moment that I have to press left click and hold. I can then move the mouse around, and you'll notice when I hover it over another column, it outlines the entire column. You can see this when I hover over name. What this is showing us is that if I release, it's actually going to overwrite the contents of that column. That's not what I want. What I want is to have the extension appear right after the name column. To achieve this, I have to hold Shift. This modifies the behavior of this drag functionality, and now it shows us that if I release here, it's going to put it in between these two. If I were to release here, it's going to put it in between ID and name, but this is what I want, between name and job title. And so I release. Now for rows, it's pretty much the same thing. Let's say I wanted to move Corey here so that he appears right before Coleman. To do that, I would have to click the row, then hover my mouse over one of the borders, and as soon as the cursor changes, I press left click and hold. I drag up, hold Shift, and now I can tell exactly where it's going to land, and I just release between 2 and 3. And there we go. Corey appears before Coleman.